Bye, tuna. See you next time. Hello, this is Jampak, and today I'm gonna make a penguin animation with Grasshopper. Already you see that penguin's pupil is going left, right, up, down, and now I'm rotating his eye, and also I can make more bigger pupils. You see that although the pupil is bigger than before, the pupil it's not going out of the eye. This is technique, high technique. Yes. And we'll make more animation with multiple penguins. Do you know which fish penguins like? Yes, tuna. So I am drawing tuna for penguin. Drawing tuna is very easy. Just put some picture of tuna on your left side and then just draw with my plugin Jampak. That's it. So I realized that the character of the tuna is the blue band on its back. So now it looks like more tuna. So I want to show tuna to penguin. Oh, penguin look at something. Yeah, because tuna is swimming in front of penguins. Wow. Penguin's eyes are following tuna, and near tuna, the penguin's eye is bigger than others. Yeah, tuna is swimming up and down. Let's see again. Yeah, tuna is swimming smoothly and it swims up and down more aggressively. Now, it's leaving. Bye, tuna. See you next time. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, penguin is tuna. Let's see again. Yeah, he is tuna. Okay, now we don't have a tuna, so let's draw another things. I think penguins will like butterfly. Yeah, because it reminds the scent of spring. So I'm drawing butterfly. Yeah. You see that I'm drawing multiple wings because I want to show the animation of butterfly. So, oh, penguin is sleeping. I want to wake them up. So let's bring butterfly. Butterfly is shaking its wing, and you see that penguin is waking up near the butterflies. Oh, other penguins are still sleeping. Go butterfly, yeah, wake them up. Let's see again. Yeah, penguins are sleeping. And here's butterfly shaking its wings. Ah, penguin's eyes are following the butterfly. Now all the penguins are waking up. Yeah, goodbye butterfly. Yeah, penguins cannot eat butterfly. Did you enjoy? Yeah, I made this animation with DAM, MD slider, and record. Next time I will show you the another animation with timer. Bye.